Hey there, guys, how's it going? This is John Matthew, and you're watching CineManiacs 24/7, a channel where we dedicate to movies, music, physical media, books, video games, and pop culture. Yes, this is my second box set review on my entire channel, the first one being the Fast and Furious collection, which you can find there in the I button, and also in the description below. This is the second box set review on my channel where we will be discussing about the Jurassic Park trilogy, where all the three films are available here on DVD. I can show you all the three movies today, and we'll talk about the films a little. We'll tell you about the DVDs, how I feel like, the price of this box set, and where you can find it on. Hope you like it, and please subscribe to my channel if you like my content. I'll be coming with new content every week. We'll be coming with new videos and new box sets almost every now and then. So, guys, buckle up as we get into another adventure, an episode, something that has took me almost 65 million years to make. Yeah, guys, coming back again, this is the box set here. You can see this red and silver kind of aesthetic given to the box set. Of course, it looks like this. If I flip it over, this is the rear. One of the strangest aspects about this box set is that apart from the things written down here, which of course most of you cannot read, and I don't want you guys to read anyway, but still let me enlarge it for you. I don't think you can read them anyway still. This is how the box set looks like. So anyway, this box set aesthetically does not have any of the qualities of its predecessors. When Jurassic Park first came out on a 3-disc trilogy set back in 2003, I guess Indians also made something like this, but the only difference being that the American and the British box sets that looked exactly like this, they had something written behind here. They didn't have this plain kind of write-up. They had the pictures here of all the three movies, the summaries, the special features, some region codes, where the movie was manufactured, where exactly the disc was manufactured, stuff like that. The copyright. This box set was technically a box set, just like my Fast and Furious box set. Let me show it to you. Yeah, this is my Fast and Furious box set anyway. This is how the box set looked like. It's an 8-movie collection, and as you can see here, this is how the box set actually was. It had almost everything written. As you can see, I can enlarge it for you. All the 8 movies are included here. Here there were the language codes available, the region codes available, almost all of them. And here you had the entire specifications, of course. This is how the box set used to look like. And the American box set for Jurassic Park here, as I was telling you, the American box set for Jurassic Park even looked the same. It just didn't have this monotonous kind of writing scheme here that you're seeing in the Indian one. Anyway, we'll talk about this box set in detail, trying to talk about each and every DVD and how it looks like. Buckle up, guys, as we're going to discuss something really interesting now. So here I am back again, trying to tell you about this box set that I own. This is the box set from the inside. It doesn't have anything much about it, just the same 3 movies on the spine, and then you have all the 3 movies inside. 3 individual discs, of course, individual boxes for all the 3 different movies. One of the best things that I like about buying a box set is if all the movies in the entire series have individual releases, individual boxes, I actually like it a lot more. Because these days box sets are available in a very strange fashion. They just add all the discs inside the box and then sell it like that. They call it a box set. Dude, a box set needs to have individual releases. Only then it will be called as a cool box set, because you can actually own all the 3 movies separately, not having to put them into one box and all the 3 discs into one particular disc holder. That's not a box set. That of course may be a way to save money for these boxes, but please, doing that is just sheer laziness. Please do not do that. Anyway, coming back, these are the 3 movies here. You can see, I'll open them and show them to you. The 3 movies here put up: Jurassic Park, The Lost World, and Jurassic Park 3. We will talk about these movies individually in a little while. Just hope you can see them, of course. We would start with Jurassic Park right now. This is the DVD for Jurassic Park here, the OG movie that basically began everything in the entire franchise. Brilliant film. Everything about this was cool. It was a game changer in the special effects industry. Everything about this movie still holds up so well, minus the characterization of the character writing, which does not hold up that well. This film had everything going for it. A brilliant cast, brilliant animatronic and CGI effects. Everything was so good going for it. The cinematography and the scaling and framing and blocking, that was marvelous. and that is something that the later movies in the entire franchise could not follow up. That's a different video for some other day, I'll tell you later. But right now, this is the Jurassic Park DVD, the original film. The front and the rear, all the special features listed here for regions 2 and 4, works absolutely cool. The aspect ratio on this DVD makes this even better and better. Trust me, this is the best DVD that I own. One of the best DVDs, of course. Here I have Jurassic Park, the second film in the franchise, The Lost World Jurassic Park, a massively underrated movie. This is the movie that gets unfairly compared to Jurassic Park for being, a somewhat inferior remake, but of course, this is not an inferior remake. It's a completely different movie, a completely different story. The characters are changed. Only recurring characters from the previous movie are John Hammond, who is in a special appearance, the grandkids of John Hammond, who are in a special appearance, and Ian Malcolm, that is Jeff Goldblum, who acts as the strange chaos theory mumbling scientist who is now a little humbled considering the idea that Hammond's nephew actually completely sued his life all over. He resulted in the revoking of Ian's university tenure. It basically labeled him a freak for having said that dinosaurs exist in an island somewhere off the shores of Costa Rica. Some strange shit happening in the movie, but of course, the movie was an entertaining watch down to the core. There are so many great things about this movie, yet that people do not give it due credit for what it deserves. It deserves more than it gets. This is the DVD for The Lost World, and the rear, of course. Brilliant DVD design, brilliant picture quality, the resolution looks good, everything about the movie is cool. Watch the DVDs on upscaling players, and trust me, you will get the best out of them. Upscaling DVD players that convert picture qualities to at least 1080p, that is Blu-ray quality, they will get the job done. DVDs are still the most popular form of physical media, that's why they buy them so much. And trust me, that's the reason why I got this movie as well. I replaced this particular movie with the region 2 and 4 Lost World that I had initially. I gave it to someone else and got this one, a new film for region 2 and 5. I bought it on my own, costed me around 2 to 3 pounds basically because it was on sale back then. So this is The Lost World. Before we go, the final film in the trilogy is Jurassic Park 3. This is that movie which had a lot of trouble production, a changed director, a new cast, relatively everything was different. And the movie, in spite of going through all those troubled productions, made a lot lesser money than the previous film because as the Jurassic Park series kept moving forward and forward, the box office gross came down. The first movie made over $900 million, the second one made close to around 600 to 650. This movie made around $300 million or something like that. It still was beneficial, but of course not as much as we think. Right now, after watching the Jurassic World movies, I can still tell this film is much better. Much, much better. This is an old DVD, of course, a pre-owned DVD, but it still looks so good to watch. So good to watch. The Indian DVD of this particular film, this is also made in India, mind you. This was also made in India, and the particular DVD that came in 2013, its newer variant, it just had a little bit of a brighter design, and this pteranodon was actually missing from the DVD cover. The entire new DVD was basically the same thing, just a little bit of a redesign of this front cover and the rear, of course. It did not have anything stated like this. The part here was absent. You had a little bit of a smaller introduction part. It was a little different. You had the Kirby's in one corner, and the of course, as I can say, the movie was something different on that disc. But of course, this disc is much superior in terms of picture quality and overall design because it has the special features listed here. That movie, I don't think so it had all that. Anyway, this was the third film in this series. Brilliant film. I like this movie a lot, at least much more than the Jurassic World movies any day. So finally summing it up, these are the three movies here. The Lost World, Jurassic Park and Jurassic Park 3. All the three iconic dinosaur action movies look so cool together when you watch them. I'm actually going to put down the links of these movies in the description below so that you can see them and buy them, of course. The Blu-rays, the DVDs and the 4Ks are all available down in the links. Please go and check them out. Please buy them and help me out. It gives me a lot of support when you do that. This was the video, guys. I hope you like this box set, and finally telling you this is a cool box set to own. Of course, there are better variants of this floating around. You can still buy them as well, but if you like owning all the three films on DVD or any physical media, please go for this box set. Please go for this box set. It's absolutely affordable, works very well, picture quality is awesome, their features are awesome, everything goes good. Please buy this. It'll be a great deal to you. Trust me, a great deal. So this is me, John Matthews, signing off. We'll see you guys in another video, another box set review, or something like that. We come with new videos almost every week. Take care, stay safe. Until then, keep watching movies and Godspeed.